brush, and I'm going to using several different crystal kits. I am going to using centerpiece crystal kit. I also using a 3D handcrafted flowers, and also the starter kits crystal for a Valentine. I think is that one is not only like it's for just for Valentine. It's had a lot. It's not only it's just for Valentine. It has so many cute. You can use it throughout the year. So I'm gonna pick up a good amount. So if you see earlier I did is not enough, so you can always get extra more. You want to make sure that it give it enough, so condensed glue gel is not too much, not too little. Too much is going to flood your crystal. Too little is not going to adhere your crystal properly. So we're gonna floating the no wipe top coat right on the top. Of the condensed glue gels. And then I'm going to pick a super cute 3D handcrafted flowers. So that's one for, hold on, this is the right one. Oh, did I do it the wrong way? So let me put it that way. Make it more sand because it's a left hand. And then so we're going to do, I don't think I'm going to do it like exactly identical. I'm gonna do it kind of a mix match design, so it's give you a variety of the designs on the nails. All right, so this is, and I will start using some of the cute designs, and I'm gonna using some adorable heart. You can use any colors you want. And here is glow in the dark crystal kits. No, I'm sorry, ultimate crystal kits #1. And then is glow in the dark mix. I'm gonna use a variety of them and randomly. There's like ultimate crystal kits 1, there's Valentine starter kits, and then there are the glow in the dark crystal kits. You will never go wrong with any of these kits at all. Okay, just try to matching with this one. Look at that. Hope you all have a fabulous day. Oh my god, looks so cute. I'm gonna using, let me see, I want a green one on that one. So it's like combinations of glow in the dark ultimate crystal kits in different colors, and then the heart. And it's doing a randomly mix and match. Of course, I'm gonna use some beads. And then maybe on the next live when we are in Chicago, we're gonna do some live videos to adhere this one, to apply this one on the nails. I'm gonna do this on semi nails. And Robin nails, Robin set is already packed. It's ready to go. So now if you don't want any beads on, I love the French look. So again, if you want to just having the French looks only, then don't worry about getting any crystals around, just doing it on the flowers. Just using flowers on the cuticles area, and then you're good to go. But if you want to add more, I'm gonna put the beads between. The best way to do a beads is between like the crystal and crystal, and between the oh my god, it's so cute, right? The best things about condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat is not going to cure until you dry, until you cure it. So now if you're happy with this, if you just in case you need to adjust your crystal or anything else, you can do it right now before you are going to cure. I want to move it like that to make sure this go perfectly in. Now just a little bit. Looks so fabulous. Let me see. Oh, this one is going all the way around. So I'm gonna keep one more. And then one more to just secure the flowers. Right, if you're happy with this, we are going to cure this one for 60 seconds. Taper the inside so then that way it would not looks bulky. Okay,